Coke that costs only a few bucks a bottle surprisingly has incredible cleaning abilities. Its cleaning effect can even rival that of professional cleaners. Today, I'll teach you 3 Coke cleaning tips to easily solve your household troubles. Hello everyone, welcome to Jinmang's Life Tips. Tip 1. Cola plus toothpaste. Prepare a measuring cup. Then take out a bottle of cola. Pour about 70 milliliters of cola into the measuring cup. Next, squeeze in 2-3 centimeters of toothpaste. The toothpaste contains mild abrasives, enhancing its cleaning effect. Then stir them thoroughly with chopsticks until the toothpaste is mostly dissolved in the cola. The phosphoric acid in the cola is a mild acid that can effectively dissolve dirt. Once stirred evenly, take out a spray bottle and pour the mixture into it, being careful to avoid spills. This completes a cola toothpaste cleaner. You can spray the solution on faucets with a lot of limescale, especially applying more in areas with more buildup. After spraying, we need to wait for 3-5 minutes for the mixture to take effect. During this time, the acidic components of the cola will soften the limescale, while the ingredients in the toothpaste will penetrate and start to break down the dirt. When the time is up, take a scouring pad or cloth and gently wipe the surface of the faucet. You will be surprised to find that the formerly stubborn limescale has become loose and can be easily wiped away. Finally, rinse the faucet thoroughly with clean water to ensure there is no residue of the mixture left. After drying, you will see that the faucet is much cleaner. In addition to cleaning limescale from faucets, cola can also be used to clean pot lids and the filters of range hoods. Tip 2: cola plus white vinegar plus dish soap. Prepare a clean container. Pour in half a bottle of Coke, around 250 milliliters. The phosphoric acid in Coke is our primary cleaning agent. It effectively breaks down carbon deposits in grease. Next, pour in an appropriate amount of white vinegar. About 50 milliliters. The acetic acid in white vinegar can further enhance the decomposition of grease. Finally, squeeze in a small amount of dish soap. The surfactants in dish soap also have certain cleaning abilities. After adding all the ingredients, use chopsticks to thoroughly mix these 3 components until well blended. You may see some foam forming on the surface of the solution. This is normal. Now, let's test this formula with a pot lid that has stubborn grease stains from long-term use. Place the pot lid in the sink. Use a scrub pad to dab an appropriate amount of the solution, then gently scrub the pot lid with it. You can start by circling around the outline of the lid. For particularly stubborn areas, such as burnt marks on the edge of the lid, you can use an old toothbrush dipped in the mixture to scrub directly or soak it for a while. After cleaning, rinse the pot lid thoroughly with clean water to ensure there is no residual cleaning solution left. The pot lid is indeed much cleaner now. Sometimes, after prolonged use, the sink can develop an unpleasant odor, which Coke can also solve. Tip 3: cola plus baking soda. First, turn on the faucet to do a preliminary rinse of the sink. Next, pour an appropriate amount of baking soda into the sink. Try to spread it evenly to cover the bottom of the sink. Then, pour in an appropriate amount of cola, doing it slowly. You might see some foam when the baking soda comes into contact with the cola. This is because baking soda is alkaline and reacts with the acidic components of cola, releasing some carbon dioxide gas. which can effectively break down organic matter and odors in the sink. Let this mixture sit in the sink for about 5 minutes. After the time is up, start scrubbing the sink with a scrub pad, beginning from the edges and working towards the drain. You'll find that the dirt on the surface of the sink becomes much easier to remove. Once you've finished scrubbing, rinse the sink thoroughly with plenty of clean water to ensure there are no residues of cola or baking soda left behind. You'll notice that not only is the sink clean, but the odors have also dissipated quite a bit, and it even carries a slight cola fragrance. The materials required for this video are shown in the picture. If necessary, you can take screenshots and save them by yourself. Alright, today's sharing ends here. If you have any other fun cleaning tips, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like and follow for more practical life hacks.